Welcome to our channel. If you want to capitalize on seasonal promotions to access free service trials and extended subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions to time your subscriptions strategically. Step 1. Create a calendar marking major promotional seasons, including New Year's, Valentine's Day, Back to School, Black Friday, and year-end holidays, when services offer enhanced trial periods. Step 2. Follow services you're interested in on social media and subscribe to their email lists several weeks before major holidays to receive advance notice of seasonal promotions. Step 3. Research historical patterns by checking deal websites and forums to learn when specific services typically offer their best seasonal promotions throughout the year. Step 4. Wait to sign up for new services until seasonal promotion periods unless you urgently need access, as holiday offers often provide double or triple the standard trial duration. Step 5. During promotional periods, compare offers across competing services in the same category to ensure you're selecting the best seasonal deal available. Step 6. Act quickly when seasonal promotions are announced, as many have limited availability or early bird bonuses for the first users who sign up. Step 7. Read the fine print of seasonal offers carefully, as some extend trial periods while others provide discounted subscription rates that still require payment. Step 8. Set reminders for next year's seasonal promotion periods, as services often repeat successful promotions annually, allowing you to plan your subscription renewals strategically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.